Learning letters from A to Z. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for carrot, D is for duck. E is for eggs, F is for flower, G is for gift, H is for house. I is for ice cream, J is for jelly, K is for key, L is for light bulb. M is for mango, N is for notepad. O is for orange, P is for pinwheel. Q is for question, R is for rose. S is for strawberry, T is for tree. U is for umbrella, V is for vase.